Hey everyone, welcome to my vlog. Today we are traveling home. We have a connecting train from Delhi to Asansol and from there to Purulia. It's in the month of April. I'm traveling with my pet, but the bad luck is that I did not get a coupe in first class AC because maybe this is the COVID time, lockdown is there and there is rush for coupe, and I was not having idea about how to book the coupe. I thought if I'll write in the form coupe, I'll be getting it, I'll be allotted the coupe, but it was not so. But finally I got the coupe in my next train, that is from Asansol to Purulia. So in this vlog I'll share my experience of first AC travel with my pet. So when I reached station, I went to the luggage section in the railway station itself. There I had to book a ticket for my pet, that's my dog, Dhruva. And after that all the formalities were to be done there. And if I was allotted a coupe, they were the one who will confirm it. So I went and talked to them and they said, you are not been allotted a coupe, you are traveling in a cabin, and cabin has 4 seats. 4 seats means if 2 of you are traveling together, means 2 persons, 2 human beings. Then other 2 people will be strangers, and in a cabin it's not allowed. Maybe somebody will not be comfortable with your pet. So in a cabin pets are not allowed. So it came like a shock to me. They said you cannot travel with your pet. I said neither I can go back to this place from where I'm coming to station. Nothing, I cannot even cancel the ticket. So I just again and again I went to them, I talked to them and I requested them, please provide me a coupe if possible. And initially they were like rude, but then as I requested, they said like, in this train, in first class AC, we have only 1 coupe and that is allotted to somebody. You are supposed to come to us after you booked your ticket. So I said, sir, I was not having any idea. I thought if I have mentioned in the form, then I'll be allotted. They said, no. After, though you have mentioned, you have to come to the station, then you have to get yourself confirmed that you want a coupe, and then we will provide you that. So as early as possible after booking the ticket, you have to visit the station. So then they told me like, luckily in this train we have a dog's carriage in guard's cabin. Guard's cabin means there is a guard in the last compartment of the train. There is a dog's cage, so you can carry your dog there. So initially I was like, thank God I can carry my dog home. But when I saw the condition, it was so pathetic, it was heartbreaking. I mean, for the first time this baby was leaving me. I was leaving this dog and I was staying somewhere else, and she cried the whole journey from Delhi to Asansol. She cried, and in every stations, wherever the station was halting for 10 minutes, even 5 minutes, I was rushing from first AC, that is in the front side of the train, to the last bogie, that is the guard's cabin, to offer my pet some food, some water. This was regularly I was doing in every station, wherever there was a little bit like 5 minutes or 10 minutes or 20 minutes of halt. Yeah, when there was 20 minutes, I was spending some time with my pet, but it was really heartbreaking. She was crying like hell, and she did not eat anything the whole journey. After we crossed half of the journey, it was hot and she was so thirsty that she just drank a bottle of water, and that bottle was 1 liter. I mean, I literally cried. And then when I reached Asansol and I took her with me, she was crying and like a baby, like a human being who complains, please don't leave me here again. So it was like, okay, I'll never leave you again. So this was it, but luckily from Asansol to Purulia I got a coupe, and then Dhruva traveled very comfortably as soon as I took her to the coupe, she slept. She had some food and she slept. She slept so peacefully. It was a treat to my eyes to see her so peaceful and happy and relaxed. So after that, the journey continues.
It's disheartening and I didn't feel like something special. And see, 4 people will travel. Seats are normal, only the color is different. This is a coupe. Here they have provided this, and the table is awesome. It's like, see, dustbin is also nice, better than the previous train. And here is the window. It's clear and new coach. It seems to be a new coach. And these are the lights they have provided. You can read. 2 seats are this. And this is a mirror they have given. It's a luxury here in this train. Then this is the gate. Once it's stainless steel, totally stainless steel gate. Yeah, there is the alarm, and there you have hangers. These are the steps. And these are the steps to go to the upper berth. And you can see this is really wide berth we have. See, this is the lower berth, this is the lower berth, and this is really wide. This coupe is really awesome, much better than the previous one, much better. Nobody is there to disturb you. And here is Dhruva.